in the still of the night. And baby, all I know, my poor heart skips a beat when you're next to me in the still of the night. Every sweet
wow.
Wow.
You don't think I'm being unreasonable, do you, Alan?
No, not at all, not at all.
I know we're all busy. It's the same for everyone. But, you know, if we don't get this development file finished by the end of the week, then we'll never get it done. So I think if everybody pulls together and works a bit of overtime, then we'll all benefit in the long run, don't you agree?
Yes.
Are you listening to me, Alan?
Oh, you bastard!
So, as I was saying...